Welcome to the first lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Specification Level 3, focusing on tricks in creating asymmetric garment styles. Firstly, we will look at this style with extra part on the sleeve end that belongs to the front panel. Draw the shape of the garment part by adding nodes. Use division line to cut out the unnecessary part. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions and edit the knitting rules as usual. Now, we will look at another style we can tackle with similar technique. This style has saddle shoulder on the back panel, but raglan shoulder on the front. The sleeve end shape is asymmetrical. We can use division line to cut the shape accordingly. Add nodes on the relevant positions. Then right-click on the node and select Add Division Line and Point. Set the area to be divided and add the nodes to create the shape desired. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions and edit the knitting rules as usual. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.